we will never do anything that's substandard. We'll treat you as if you're our family, and we'll treat your property as if it's our own. That is the Apex guarantee. We're specialists in fixing disasters. Yeah, that's the way to look at it. So when disaster strikes, we're the guys to call. We know how to, I guess the best way I can frame it is we bring peace to the panic. Yeah, so we specialize in that. The biggest thing I would say about Apex that makes us so much different than anybody else is our business was founded on personal experience. So when other competitors or other companies tell you so quickly in their taglines that we'll treat your property the way we would treat our very own, we know what that means. So we've experienced loss. We know exactly what it is to lose everything that you've worked for. There's a lot of bad contractors that are out. And there's a very valid fear about choosing the right company to help you restore your property. And we're proud to say that we've been here for 8 years. And we're not going anywhere. We're established. We live here. This is our community. So I can assure any of our customers, anyone we ever deal with, that we will never cut a corner, ever. Because I know what cut corners cost. And there's a myriad of ways of contacting us. You can go through Facebook. You'll find us there on Apex Disaster Specialist. You can also go to apexdisasterspecialist.com and contact us through our website. Our local number is 850-660-6900. And we also have an 800 number at 877-307-3088. I'm not sure what I should do with my hands.